Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure battery is sufficient and Bluetooth is enabled. Once done, put the accessory into pairing mode so it advertises itself. Many devices blink or announce pairing. Next, on your phone or computer, open the Bluetooth menu and scan. Select the device name that matches the product label. You do this first because discovery must be active on both sides. If you see a PIN prompt, follow the device-specific number or accept the default to proceed with authentication. Once paired, you authorize what the device can do because profiles determine functionality. Accept the PIN or confirm the passkey so the secure link is established. This prevents unauthorized access. Then grant permissions, audio for headphones, contacts for headsets, file access for transfers, so features work correctly. After that, open device settings to choose the primary role. Set as audio output, microphone source, or data device. This ensures your apps use the right connection and avoids conflicts between multiple paired devices. Finish by testing core functions. Play audio, make a call, or transfer a file so you confirm the chosen profiles work. If performance lags, disconnect and reconnect. Sometimes switching the primary device fixes routing. If pairing repeatedly fails, remove the device from the Bluetooth list and pair again because stale entries cause conflicts. As a troubleshooting tip, clear the Bluetooth cache or reset Bluetooth settings on the host before you consider factory resets. This resolves most persistent pairing and profile issues without data loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.